Hey YouTube, what's up? So we made it to New York. We are in the US right now. The city is overwhelming. It's so big. The buildings are very impressive. The whole city is impressive. There are so many people, and I'm overwhelmed by all the impressions I get from here. But I'm super excited to share the photos with you because there's so much to photograph, to see, to explore, and stuff like that. Yeah, I really want to share the videos with you. So let's jump into it.